Yo, what's up, Pop fam? It's your boy Wavy Pops. Back with another video. And this one we have Insane Toy Shop. There is 2 mystery boxes in here. They contain 1 pop and 1 soda. Let's crack it open and see what I got. This packaging is really flipping tough, let me tell you. Probably doesn't help that this knife don't cut anything either. Okay. Getting this thing open here. And of course we got 1 and 2. Whoa, what? 3? I only ordered 2. Yeah, I only ordered 2. They gave me 3. Did they give me 1 free one? Yo, guys, I think they gave me 1 free one, but that's dope if they did. Because I was only supposed to have 2, but I guess I got 3 mystery boxes here. It's pretty dope. But each box, unless one box contains 2 pops and the other ones contain sodas, but I think they gave me 3 by accident, or maybe it was on purpose. Either way, I don't know. Unless one box has sodas, one box has the pops. I don't know, but each box is supposed to contain 1 pop and 1 soda. We're just going to crack these open and see. They might have gave me 3 by accident. Either way, I'm not complaining. But let's see.
Might have been like buy 2 get 1 free.
I mean, these boxes don't look big enough to contain a pop and a soda, but we'll see. I think 1 box has pops, 1 box has both sodas. But we'll see. Okay, yeah. Okay, they didn't give me 3. So this is one of the... Oh. Okay, that's fire. This is one of the pops. Funko exclusive. A Kid Loki. I didn't even tell you... I didn't even tell you guys the price or anything on this. Let me do that now. So yeah, it's a 1 pop, 1 soda, $26.88. For 1, I bought 2, so roughly $50 is what I paid for 2. We're gonna scan these, see how we did. So first one we got Funko exclusive Kid Loki. It's a pretty good one. See the PPG value on it. Okay, maybe if I take this wrap off first, I can scan it. And this is their own pop protectors, because the pop protectors do say insanetoyshop.com. So this is their own pop protectors. Let's try scanning it now. See if it'll go through. No. Gotta take it out. Okay, Kid Loki, Funko exclusive. PPG value, Kid Loki metallic, Funko exclusive is $10. $10 for Kid Loki. I'm trying to do the pops first before I do the sodas. I don't know what this one is, so we're gonna crack it open this one. Hoping this is the other pop. Okay, it is. Okay. We got another Funko Shop exclusive. Venomized Kingpin. And that shit looks dope. Let's take him out so we can scan Venomized Kingpin. And again, these are Insane Toy Shop's own pop protectors. Let's take him out, scan him. And Venomized Kingpin is coming at $15. $15 for Venomized Kingpin. And now let's see what sodas I got and if I can pull a chase on at least one of them. I mean, 2 chases would be nice, but I doubt it. But let's see if I can at least pull 1 chase. Oh, okay. Okay. I got one that I wanted. They're both the same. We got Black Adam, 2 of them. Hopefully we could get a perfect pull on this. Hopefully we could do a chase and a common. I don't know what the chase is, so I'm gonna look it up real quick. Okay, the chase is glow in the dark, so we won't even know. We won't even know. Alright, we're just gonna crack the first one open. I don't know, guys. I was hoping for 2 different ones, but 2 of the same might be better, because we might get the chase. So. And I probably won't be able to tell without looking at the pog either, so. That's a cool soda. But again, can't tell. It looks pretty common to me, but we're gonna find out right now. Yep, common. Common Black Adam. 1 out of 12,500. Alright. See if I can get that perfect pull. I'm hoping, guys. Again, Black Adam. Wouldn't it be lucky as hell and cool as hell to end this video on a chase? It would be a dope way to end it. And lucky. Okay, they look the same. But again, you probably can't tell without looking at the pog. They look the exact same though. I don't know about this, guys. I think I got 2 commons. Let's see. Yep, 2 commons. Black Adam common. 1 out of 12,500. And let's see, they are worth $15 a piece. The chase is also worth $15. Gives me a grand total of 55. That's about as much as I paid for the whole thing. Okay, yeah, 53.76 without taxes. With the shipping and taxes and everything, I paid $62.49. But without the shipping and everything, I basically broke even on the box. But both of them I will be adding to my collection, and the sodas I'll be adding to my collection, so I'm happy. I didn't get a chase, but that is the price you pay when you're doing sodas. You don't always get a chase. It's always random. I mean, it would have been cool if I got 2 different ones that were commons. Then it would have been better that way. I would have at least got 2 different ones, but still happy about the box. Still trying to get this wrapper off. Still happy about the box. We got Venom and Kid Loki. Whoops. And then we got 2 Black Adam sodas. Both of them were common. But that is the Insane Toy Shop 1 Pop, 1 Soda mystery boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you drop a like on this video. Smash that like button for me. Make sure you, the fans, comment down below what you guys want to see next. I do respond to all my comments. I do read them, and I will get to eventually. Just stay patient with me. And as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn the post notifications on. So every time I drop a video, you guys will see it, man. And I will see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy, Wavy Pops. Peace out, Pop fam.